Oh my goodness, what do you think about these lenses? Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this color contact lens review from the company MyEyeBB. They were sweet enough to send me 4 pairs of color contact lenses to review for you all, so I show you how these colors look in natural lighting. The colors are Jiggle Ring Green, Rome times Blue, Rome times Gray, and Rome times Green. Here you are. I hope you enjoy, and of course let me know which ones you like the most down below. Okay, so let me know which ones did you like the most down below. I was super excited to try out this company when they reached out to me. They have so many different color contact lenses on their website. They have so many different collections, so many different colors. I definitely will say I was very, very impressed by the lenses since this is my first time wearing them. And when I'm trying out a new company, I'm usually a little bit skeptical and I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna like these lenses. I don't know if I'm gonna not like these lenses. So I'm always a little bit skeptical, but let me tell you all about which ones I liked, why, and which ones I didn't like and why not. So really quickly, here is the coupon code. I'm going to put it up on the screen for you right here so you can check them out. I highly suggest checking out their website. I will link everything in the description box down below so you can all check out their website, see what different color contact lenses they have, and which ones you would like to try. Now, for the ones that I liked the most, I love the Rome times Green color contact lenses, the ones that I'm wearing. I also like the Jiggle Ring Green color contact lenses. They were so pretty. Of course, I like green color contact lenses. That's no surprise. I was also surprised that I like the Rome times Gray and the Rome times Blue color contact lenses as well. So I liked all of these color contact lenses, which was a shocker for me. There wasn't one pair that I didn't really like. Let me tell you why. So for the Jiggle Ring Green color contact lenses, I looked at them in the package and I said, oh, these have a limbo ring. I don't really like a limbo ring. Do you guys like a limbo ring on your color contact lenses? I don't usually like them because to me, they don't usually come out as natural looking. But as you can see, especially with the up close shots, they look so natural. Like these could pass for my eyes. It was so surprising to me when I put them in my eyes because I was like, wow, they look so natural. Like they can actually work with my eyes. These are very, very opaque color contact lenses, I will say. So if you like really opaque color contact lenses or you have really, really dark eyes, I think you're really, really gonna enjoy these color contact lenses, but keep that in mind. So for my light brown eyes, they kind of were a bit too opaque, but I actually really, really, really like that about them. The Jiggle Ring Green were the only ones that weren't so opaque and were very, very, very natural and subtle. You see how they look? They look like a really, really pretty dark muted green, but it's not too dark. You get what I mean? It's not like a really, really deep dark green. It's a dark green, but it's very, very pretty and wearable and natural for every day. So I really, really like that about them. Now let me get into the Rome collection. The Rome times Blue are so bright and opaque. They're very pretty, but they're very, very bright, sky blue, I would say. They're very, very opaque. So I think, again, these are going to be really, really good for dark eyes. And I really, really liked how the lenses came out. I did like how the lenses look. They're all very comfortable lenses. The Jiggle Ring Green lenses were a little bit, I would say the lens itself was a little bit thicker than the rest of them, but they didn't hurt my eyes, didn't irritate my eyes. My eyes felt just fine wearing all of the lenses, so just keep that in mind. So that's just something for you to know. I did love how the Rome Times Green look, which are the ones that I'm wearing now. They are very bright. They're quite bright, especially I feel like with this ring light. But in natural lighting, they're a little bit more muted, just a pinch more muted. And I do think they are very, very pretty. It's like a nice deep green, but towards the pupil hole, it's very, very light. It's a very like light lime green. And I think that color mix is very, very pretty. I would like the pupil hole to be a little bit more feathered, but I think these lenses, for my first time trying them and off of first impressions, I think they are very, 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 very pretty. Very stunning and gorgeous. The Rome Times Blue were very, very bright. The Rome Times Green were very bright. The Rome Times Gray are very, very pretty. It's a nice, pretty gray. I was very, very surprised that I like those as well, because as you know, I've said this before, gray is kind of hard to pull off for a color contact lens. I feel like most companies either get it right or wrong, but these were very, very pretty. This was a nice shade of gray, kind of like a steel cloudy gray. It's super, super pretty, and I absolutely, absolutely really, really liked these gray lenses. I might wear these a little bit more often than my other gray lenses. Let me know in the comment section down below which ones did you like the most. Don't forget to check out the description box down below. I will link everything down there, including my coupon code, as well as links to the website so that you can try out these lenses. And of course, you have to let me know which ones do you like the most. Do not forget to check out my previous video where I reviewed O-lenses, colored contact lenses versus moody lenses. And I will see you all very soon.